Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Behind us we have the 2022 mid-wheel base Mercedes Sprinter. It's the four-wheel drive. It was an awesome build, lots of custom features went into this one, and let's get straight into it. All right, so before we step into the van, we'll start with some of the exterior features that we've added. First up, we've got the 12-volt step, which is just controlled via a little switch on the inside. Helps us getting into these vans when they are a bit higher. You've got the little drop-down table, nice and easy to use. And then we have the Fiamma F45 awning attached to the front runner roof rack. The exterior light, which is awesome to have as well, pretty handy. And then we added in two of the Eurovision windows. So one into the sliding door and there's one in the other panel there as well, which you can't see at the moment, it's behind the door. Let's show you what we've done on the inside. So inside the van, first of all, we're dealing with the mid-wheel base Sprinter, so we had to be pretty creative with our design. We still really wanted to have a good sized bed, a comfortable bed, but then still have that feeling like the van's still quite spacious and nice and roomy in the front cabin section where the kitchen and the dining area will be. So really happy with how it all turned out, and I think we achieved that pretty well. So starting up front, we've got the overhead storage in here. And then the swivel seats allow the two chairs to come around, and then we have the lagoon table in there. So you can sit comfortably, move the lagoon table to where you want to be, and then eat your meals comfortably there. Then we've sort of got two parts to the kitchen. So behind us we have the induction cooker from Dometic, the twin induction cooker, Bushman's fridge, great overhead storage, and again, another window that we cut into from Eurovision there. So that's just, again, making it feel bigger in here and letting loads of natural light in. Storage drawers to our left here, and then we have the little sink area, storage underneath, kitchen pantry in here with some stick-on tiles in there to keep that all nice and sealed. Then we've obviously got our electrical controls over to the left here, and that just turns on all our lights, outside lights, insides, water pump, inverter switch, BMS, all of our electrical equipment there that we need to control, right there, nice and easy to access no matter where you are inside the van. Under the bed from the front side, we've got a couple of storage drawers, the diesel heater outlet, and the porta potty, which also doubles as a step because the bed is quite high. That's the wrap for the front of the van. We'll show you what we've done out the back. Back of house. So before we get into it, you'll notice with our ceilings, we've done the Tassie oak, and we actually retained that Tassie oak in the foot end and the bed head area of the bed. And the reason being, sleeping east-west, creating those two nooks gives us that little bit more length again, so it actually does make it more comfortable and spacious sleeping east-west, and it came up really nice. It looks $1 million, so really happy with that. We've got the overhead storage above the feet end, and then our Sirocco fan and reading lights left and right at the head end. Down into the garage, we have the bike storage left and right, and then a nice bit of storage again through the middle. It was designed to fit the Weber Q, and underneath that we just have the diesel heater, so that just allows the air to be moved around. And then we've got the outlet on the other side. Strip lighting little switch under here to light it all up, the outdoor shower, and then all of our electrical equipment in behind there. So we've got a 200 amp hour lithium battery, we've got 350 watt solar on the roof, and 2000 watt inverter. Obviously, it's a three-way charging system, charging off the solar when you pull up. If we're driving, it's going to charge the system, and then we have the mains power option too. So well equipped for wherever you want to go. Over to in under here. So one of the main designs in this whole build was Brian, the owner. He's the owner of a really cool surfing brand here in Australia called Ocean and Earth, and he's a mad keen surfer. So we've got a whole nook for 2 7-foot surfboards, and that runs in behind the cabinetry, and it's just easier. It keeps the boards in there safe, super easy to get in and out, tucked away as well, while still fitting everything else in. So really happy with how that turned out. And on the back door here, we have the front runner rear ladder. So it's the same as the roof rack, the same brand, and just awesome bit of gear. Connects to the hinges, so keeps the weight off the door when you're going up and down. And that's just to access your solar panel or put stuff up on the racks. Around the corner, we've got the tank filler, which is a 110 litre water tank mounted underneath the van. And then we've got a 35 litre grey tank as well, and the mains power connection. That's a wrap for back of house. Alrighty, that's a wrap for our latest build. So we're really happy with how the Sprinter turned out. We managed to fit a lot in there, but still made it feel really open and spacious in there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. We've got some really cool stuff coming up that we'd love to share with you guys. And stick around. Hope you enjoyed.